Hey dude, if the insurance industry gets its way and we're all forced to buy an annuity with our superannuation, what sort of fees will we pay?
Remember how it all works? Remember that black box where the actuaries do all those terrible things to small furry animals? Well, they will make certain assumptions within the black box to hide the explicit level of profit that the insurance company is making out of you. This is where they will hide all the kickbacks and incentives to their sales force.
Hey man, when you say sales force, do you mean financial planners?
Yep, that's right. In the United States, the scale of the kickbacks to these financial planning parasites is so bad that Senator Elizabeth Warren has begun an inquiry into the scale of the problem. You note that I use the word scale when talking about these financial reptiles.
So man, what did she find?
She found a tsunami of outrageous kickbacks, which amounted to around 17 billion US dollars a year. Now, the US Department of Labor has proposed a draft rule to close down these outrageous rorts and loopholes upon which the kickbacks have been based.
So man, I'm getting a bit depressed. So what are some of the examples she found?
She found all the usual snout in the trough stuff that you find in the parasitic financial services industry. You know, the lavish cruises, the luxury car leases, and presumably the occasional Romanian hooker. 9 of the 15 insurance companies that responded to Senator Warren's request for information on these sales incentives said they provided them by virtue of a loophole. So there you go.
So the existing rules allowed these loopholes to go on for years.
Of course they did. That's how it all works.
So man, could the same thing happen here if we were all forced to put our superannuation money into an annuity?
Of course it will happen. It has already happened with insurance sales of life policies. One of the big insurers had $1 million table, which consisted of insurance salesmen who generated more than $1 million per year in commissions. One of the most successful was known as the Gun and was rumoured to be worth 30 to $40 million.
And man, was all that made from flogging insurance policies?
You bet.
But surely the government can stop these companies from financially raping us?
Of course they could, but they won't. They will force you to take an annuity and then they will allow the insurance companies to violate your economic interests by sales incentives and gouge fees built into the product.
But man, that's outrageous.
Of course it's outrageous, but both political parties are playing the same piano in the brothel. The Liberal politicians dream of a job on a bank or an insurance company board, and the Labor politicians want to get a job on an industry fund.
So, let me get this straight. I'm going to be forced to give my super to an insurance company to pay me a pitiful amount of money in an annuity and in the process be ripped off with big fees which will fund lavish incentives and Romanian hookers for financial planners.
Yep, you're learning quickly.
So I'm fucked again.
Oh, yeah, that's the life insurance industry's lifetime guarantee to you.